Hi everybody. This is a USB cable tester that I picked up on Amazon for about $16. So let's look at the outside of the box real quick. And it looks like they relabeled it. Like there's different model numbers here. And let's open it up and see what comes inside. Actually give you a little tool. So that's that in there. Little manual, that's cool. In lots of languages, so let's just flip through it really quick. And then it goes to Deutsch and all kinds of other stuff. Oh, and here's pinouts for the board too. That's cool. Okay, well, let's get to the heart of it. What comes in this little pouch? These things always rip apart, man. Come on. Trying not to damage the bag, but don't think it matters. Okay, well, here's something a little bit different than the pictures on the Amazon website. There's no protective board. There's like some of the ones online, they show a clear plastic cover that goes over this. And this one does not have that. Wow, there's a lot going on this board, isn't there? Comes with a battery, that's cool. And I also don't see the little pigtail wire, which it did show that on the picture online also. So, interesting. Like maybe that's the difference with the part number there, or the model number. Maybe the, what does that say, 575? Maybe that one comes with all the accessories. Anyway, let's see. So on this side, looks like you've got USB-C, A, and 3. And then here is another USB-C. All different kinds here. All right. Well, I have two cables here to test it out. Basically a USB-A to micro, and then this USB-C to C. So let's test it on here. Okay. And this one I think would go in this side. It's not doing anything. Oh, duh. Because I didn't remove this tab yet. Come on. Oof, okay. Now it should be ready. Ah, cool. All right, so I guess this tells you what all the different functions are. Basically what pins are being used and which ones are not. This cable actually doesn't have a lot of pins being used. Come on, let's flip it over. Oh, look at that, there's the shield. That's cool. Oh, okay. So it just kind of flips the D minus, D plus, D minus, D plus from one side to another. So we've got the ground working, V-bus working, that V-bus, and that ground. And then I'm guessing CC1, D plus, and D minus flip. So I wonder if CC1 and CC2 flip if I change this over. No, that's the same exact lights. Okay, put that there. Let me flip this over. Okay. So not quite sure how that's doing that. But yeah, that's what's happening. All right, cool. Well, at least this is showing me that this cable works. So set that aside and we'll try this one. This kind of old beat up. Yeah, that's 4-pin USB-A. Put that there. And then this side, the micro should go to that one right there. Shield is on. Oh, all the shields. Huh. That's it. Just 4 wires and nothing else. Look at that. That's all bent. Ground, V-bus, D plus, and D minus. That's it. And there's no flipping that, so. I mean, I guess what it shows you is, you know, there's 4 wires in here, and all 4 wires are making contact. So I guess this is a good, quick way to figure out if your cable is functioning properly, if all the wires are making contact. I mean, you're not testing it under load. It's basically just, you know, looking for continuity. But I guess if you have cables that you're not sure if they work or not, you could use this to quickly test them and just see if all the pinouts are functioning or not. So that's kind of cool. And it's got the pinouts, what the lightning does. TypeB and Micro 3. MicroB and MiniB. Warning, USB cable checker. Warning, don't connect to device. I guess they don't want you to hook this up to something, just cable end to cable end. Yeah, see, and USB-C has so many different pins, and they don't match up from one side to another. So when you flip the cable, you'll get different results. So, yeah, pretty cool. I mean, it has basically what I need. It's a simple cable tester. It doesn't have a couple of the accessories. It doesn't have the standoffs and the clear plastic cover, and it doesn't have the cable here that goes to you know, an external power source. But it definitely does the function that I purchased it for on Amazon. So I don't know if maybe this was just packaged wrong or stocked wrong at Amazon, and that's how I got this 0475 instead of 575. But now that I've gotten this and I see it, I'll definitely be looking online to double check the one I purchased against the one that was listed at date 1 of 2025. So, yeah. Anyway, it does the job. Why did they give you this, though? It's got a hex on there. I don't know what that's for. And an oddly shaped flathead screwdriver. I mean, without the cover to tighten it, what do you need this for? Maybe to pop the battery out? I don't know. I don't know why they'd give you that. Well, there you have it. Unboxing and first test of this Treedix USB cable tester. Pretty cool. I mean, unless I find a big issue, I'm probably not going to return it. Because it does perform the functions that I need it for, and it's just handy, and it didn't cost that much. It was $16. So, you know, unless I find out that the one that had the cover and the pigtail and the standoffs and all that was, you know, like also $16, and for some reason they just didn't put it in this kit, which of course would be a little upsetting. That's the only reason I think I would return this and exchange it for the one that does come with all those items. But otherwise, you know, this one looks like it's going to work good. So, pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. And please subscribe.